Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to blur on OBS. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. So inside of this OBS studio software, here is no option to blur anything on your OBS. So now I'm going to show you a smart and easy process to add blur to your OBS. So for that, all you have to need to open your browser and type blur jpg and click on images, and you have to download a blur image from Google. After downloading blurry image, open your OBS and click on this plus icon for sources and click on image, and you can name the layer, okay, and click on browse and select the blur photo, click on OK, and now you can resize and change the position of this photo. If you want to change this blur opacity, then right click on it and click on blending mode, and you can select any option from here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.